far, we've had over 6,700 tons of food. That's enough for close to 500,000 people for 2 weeks. Daily deliveries continue, and they are now averaging around 750 tons. That's much better than what we had before the ceasefire, but it's still well below our target, which is around 2,000 tons every day. Severe amount of destruction makes it almost impossible to get to this goal of 2,000 tons unless you are able to utilize all crossing points. People are showing up in large numbers, grateful for the efficiency of the delivery of food assistance, as well as the dignified way of people standing in line, quickly getting their food rations. And especially impacting the most vulnerable, the women, female-headed households, the elderly. People are hopeful. There is cautious optimism, but the food that they are receiving, they eat part of it and they ration and keep some of the supplies for emergency because they are not very confident how long the ceasefire will last and what will happen next.
Subscribe to Oneindia and never miss an update. Download the Oneindia app now.